Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Government Guru. In this video, we'll go through the 49 important questions related to the computer and its applications, which may get asked in the exams like SSC exams, railway exams, banking exams, UPSC exams, as well as the other competitive exams. So let us see one by one. So the first question is the controlling unit of the computer is called option A printer, option B keyboard, option C CPU, option D hard disk. The answer is option C, that is CPU. The controlling unit of the computer is called as CPU. What can be sent through video mail? Option A graphics, option B video clips, option C video message, option D all of these. So the answer is option D, that is all of these. Who developed the integrated circuit chip? Option A C.V. Raman, option B Robert Nayak, option C J.S. Kilby, and option D Charles Babbage. So the answer is option C J.S. Kilby, who developed the integrated circuit chip. The layer of the magnetic disk is made of option A iron oxide, option B phosphorus pentaoxide, option C magnesium oxide, and option D sodium peroxide. The answer is option A iron oxide. Who is called the father of computer? Option A Hermann Hollerith, option B Charles Babbage, option C Wells Pascal, and option D Van Neumann. The answer is option B Charles Babbage. The most outstanding contribution in the development of blueprint of the first digital computer goes to option A Hermann Hollerith, option B Charles Babbage, option C Wells Pascal, and option D William Burroughs. The answer is option B Charles Babbage. What is the full form of email? Option A electronic mail, option B electric mail, option C electromagnetic mail, and option D none of these. The answer is option A electronic mail. Which one of the following is measured in megabyte? Option A intensity of the earthquake, option B population density, option C the capacity of power expenditure, and option D the memory power of the computer. The answer is option D, the memory power of the computer. Which of the following is not a search engine? Option A Google, option B Alta Vista, option C Science Direct, option D Orchid. So the answer is option C Science Direct. The most important part of the computer is option A CPU, option B keyboard, option C disk, and option D printer. The answer is option A CPU. The system used in the modern digital computer is called option A binary digital system, option B decimal digital system, option C analog calculation system, and option D none of these. So the answer is option A binary digital system. Through which one of the following computer languages most useful documentation is possible? Option A Fortran, option B COBOL, option C Pascal, and option D C++. So the answer is option B COBOL. Which one of the following work can be done through the use of basic language? Option A commercial activities, option B scientific calculation, option C teaching the children, and option D understanding the simple language at initial stage. The answer is option D understanding the simple language at initial stage. Most of the computers can understand option A high level instructions, option B basic which resembles like English, and option C any language, option D none of these. So the answer is option A high level instructions. The software Windows has been manufactured by option A IBM, option B Apple Corporation, option C Wipro, and option D none of these. So the answer is option D, that is none of these. Windows software has been manufactured by Microsoft. The password provides a protection to the computer which option A safeguards the oldness came in the hardware, option B safeguard the discrepancies came in the software, Option C, safeguards the unauthorized entry of the system, and option D, none of these. So the correct answer is option C, safeguards the unauthorized entry of the system. The inability came in 4-digit system of data storage of the computer is called option A, Y2K problem, option B, data bug, option C, 4D problem, and option D, computer bug. So the answer is option A, Y2K problem. The fastest supercomputer developed by NASA is option A, Kalpana Chawla, option B, Columbia, option C, Blue Gene, and option D, Param. The answer is option B, Columbia. The first computer which had been designed and developed in India is option A, Siddhartha, option B, Param, option C, Megha, and option D, Cyber. So the answer is option A, Siddhartha. Which one of the following computer is a computer virus? Which one of the following is a computer virus? Option A, fungi, option B, bacteria, option C, IC 7344, and option D, software program. So the answer is option D, that is software program. Who is called the father of email? Option A, Bill Gates, option B, Timothy Bill, option C, Lincoln Goldsberg, and option D, Ray Tomlinson. So the answer is option D, Ray Tomlinson. Through which one of the following the speed of the processor of the computer is measured? Option A, BPS, option B, MIPS, option C, BOD, and option D, Hertz. The answer is option B, MIPS. CPU implies option A, control and primary unit, option B, central processing unit, option C, computer and processing unit, option D, none of these. So the answer is option B, central processing unit. The full form of IBM is option A, Indian business machine, option B, international business machine, option C, Italian business machine, and option D, integral business machine. The answer is option B, international business machine. The first web browser is option A, Internet Explorer, option B, Netscape, option C, www, and option D, Firefox. The answer is option C, www. In the computer dictionary, the word CD stands for option A, compact disk, option B, compressed disk, option C, computerized data, and option D, compressed data. So the answer is option A, compact disk. The fastest computer of the world is option A, T3A, option B, Yenha 3, option C, Param 10,000, and option D, J8. So the answer is option A, T3A. A supercomputer Param has been developed and designed in India by option A, CDAC Pune, option B, IIT Kanpur, option C, BARC Mumbai, and option D, IIT Delhi. So the correct answer is option A, CDAC Pune. The Michelangelo virus is option A, a cancerous virus, option B, a cancer protective virus, option C, viruses spread in rats, and option D, a computer virus. So the answer is option D, a computer virus. The apple is option A, a fruit, option B, a computer of 4th generation, option C, a computer network, and option D, a computer language. So the correct answer is option B, a computer of 4th generation. The fastest computer of the world which follows the working mechanism of the human brain is option A, supercomputer, option B, quantum computer, option C, Param 10,000, and option D, IBM chips. The answer is option B, quantum computer. The memory of the computer is usually expressed in kilobyte or megabyte. 1 byte is basically composed of option A, 8 binary digits, option B, 2 binary digits, option C, 8 decimal digits, and option D, 2 decimal digits. The answer is option A, 8 binary digits. A popular windowing environment, Windows 3, issued in option A, 1985, option B, 2000, option C, 1995, option D, 1990. So the answer is option B, 2000. The supercomputer Deep Blue and Blue Gene are designed and developed by option A, IBM Co. USA, option B, Cambridge University UK, option C, BARC Mumbai, and option D, none of these. So the answer is option A, IBM Co. USA. The supercomputer flow solver of India was developed by and designed by option A, NAL Bangalore, option B, CDAC Pune, option C, BARC Mumbai, and option D, none of these. So the answer is option A, NAL Bangalore. Which one of the following is not the component of a computer? Option A, input unit, option B, CPU, option C, external memory unit, option D, internal memory unit. So the answer is option D, internal memory unit. Which one of the following is a part of input unit? Option A, keyboard, option B, mouse, option C, punch card, option D, printer. So the answer is option D, printer. Which one of the following languages of the computer has been developed from a pure business point of view? Option A, COBOL, option B, BASIC, option C, Fortran, and option D, none of these. So the answer is option A, COBOL. The full name of a SIM is option A, subscriber identity module, option B, subscriber identity machine, option C, self identity machine, and option D, self identity module. So the correct answer is option A, subscriber identity module. What .com represents? Option A, commercial sector, option B, government sector, option C, educational sector, option D, communication sector. Correct answer is option D, communication sector. The DTP is the acronym of option A, desktop print, option B, desktop publishing, option C, desk table print, option D, desktop point. So the answer is option B, desktop publishing. The most outstanding contribution in the development of modern computer goes to option A, J.P. Assert, option B, J.W. Newman, option C, J. Mosheri, and option D, Charles Babbage. So the answer is option B, J.W. Newman. The computer Anupam was developed by option A, BARC Mumbai, option B, IIT Kanpur, option C, DRDO New Delhi, option D, CDAC Pune. So the answer is option A, BARC Mumbai. The high level computer language which is very useful for children or kids is option A, Algol, option B, Basic, option C, Prolog, and option D, Logo. So the answer is option D, that is Logo. Who is called the father of modern computer science? Option A, Charles Babbage, option B, Alan Turing, option C, J.W. Newman, option D, Tim Berners-Lee. So the answer is option B, that is Alan Turing. The first computerized post office in India was installed at option A, New Delhi, option B, Bangalore, option C, Mumbai, and option D, Kanpur. So the correct answer is option A, New Delhi. The internet was invented by option A, Robert E. Kahn, option B, Windsurf, option C, Robert E. Kahn and Windsurf, and option D, Larry Page. So the correct answer is answer C, Robert E. Kahn and Windsurf. In India, highly competing mobile communication technology is option A, GSM, option B, CDMA, option C, both GSM and CDMA, and option D, LTE. So the answer is option C, both GSM and CDMA. In order to achieve a wireless networking technology of Wi-Fi, the used light is option A radio waves, option B visible waves, option C infrared waves, and option D infrasonic waves. So the answer is option A radio waves. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you have enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for such more informative videos. Also click on the bell icon to get the notification updates. Thank you.